Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to compare Microsoft Power Automate and UiPath, two of the most popular automation tools available right now. First, let's talk about Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate is part of Microsoft's ecosystem, which means it easily integrates with other Microsoft products like Excel, SharePoint, Teams, and Outlook. It's designed to help automate repetitive tasks using simple workflows, and it's cloud-based, so you can access it anywhere. The best thing about Power Automate is its user-friendly interface, which makes it great for beginners and non-developers. It also offers AI Builder for smart automation and integrates smoothly with Office 365. However, it's not ideal for very complex automations that require deep coding or advanced logic. Now let's talk about UiPath. UiPath is a powerful robotic process automation (RPA) platform that's built for handling large-scale business processes. Gives you more flexibility, control, and customization options than Power Automate. UiPath is great for developers and companies that need to automate advanced workflows, connect with multiple systems, or process large amounts of data. It also offers features like UiPath document processing, attended and unattended bots, and enterprise-grade scalability. The downside is that it can be a bit more complex to learn for beginners. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos like this.